Welcome back to part 3 of this tutorial. After you generate the NFTs, I'm gonna show you how you can set up a contract and start selling on OpenSea. We need to go back to Morales server, and in your Morales server, you need to click the dashboard, and inside the dashboard, on the left hand side, you're gonna find your metadata that we just upload. And you can see the 25 images that we generate is already there. And what you need to do, or what actually matters to you, is only the meta hash, because you need to gonna copy this meta hash so that it can upload the whole collection of your NFT into the contract. And as you can see, on the right hand side there's some link. You can just copy the link and you can find your image in the server already. And what you need to do right now, before we start programming, because right now we are using a testnet, we are going to test out the whole process. So you need to go to this Polygon bucket and then log into your MetaMask wallet and ask for some Polygon Mumbai token. This is not really Matic, it's just some test token. And if you haven't set up that connection yet, you can go back to Morales, the main page, and then go to Speedy Nodes, click Mumbai and add to MetaMask. After you finish this setup, you can simply just click the MetaMask wallet and then copy your wallet address and then submit it. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you're gonna receive some tokens that you can try out. But because I requested before already, so I already have some magic token that I can try out. But usually it comes really quick, so it's not really a problem. And after that, we are gonna go to another website, and that website is called remix.ethereum.org. And inside you can see there's an NFT Contract.zo, which is already inside the zip file that I upload in NFT generator. If you click inside, you can just drag and put it in the file explorers if you want. And then inside there, what you need to do actually is not much. You just have to change the meta hash in here, which is the one that I showed you in the server. You copy the meta hash and then you put it down. And down there is just about token ID and how many number of that token ID you want to generate. Right now it's just a test run, so I'm gonna generate 3 images. And after that, you just save it and then click the button underneath and then compile NFT contract. And then you click the button below. Remember to select the environment into injected Web3. And then you select your wallet address, click deploy and confirm. After a few seconds, your contract is already generated. And then you just need to copy the contract link and address, and then you go to testnet opensea.io and then click live on a testnet, and then choose the chain for Mumbai and paste your contract link. Ta-da! The pictures that you generate is already in the server. You just have to refresh it several times and also click into the item, because right now it's just still loading at the moment. But if you click in the item, it should show you very quickly what you actually have. And as you can see, the cupcake that I create is already in the server. Even though this is just a testnet, but it's the same thing in the mainnet when you officially upload to OpenSea. it will be exactly the same. So now you might ask, how can I create more than one collection in Morales server? It's actually really easy. Just simply by changing the meta hash, then you can find out different collection in your account. I'm gonna show you right now. Let's say we're gonna generate 10 pictures of King Cupcake version 1. As you can see in the server, right now we got the first meta hash. Then we're gonna generate the version 2. And the second version would have a completely different meta hash, which help you create and locate different projects very easily. You just simply need to copy the meta hash and then put it in the contract, deploy it, and list it in OpenSea. And we repeat the same process again. As you can see, both of the projects also have picture 1, which is ID 1, but they are completely different image. This is because with different meta hash, you can find out which collection you are trying to list, which actually really easy, because compared to the normal method that you need to upload one by one and then all the metadata is all over the place, with this meta hash you can compile all your images within one collection into one meta hash, and then you can find out all the information, which is very beneficial if you're doing a really huge project, or if you're doing multiple projects, then you can find it out really easily. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope after these 3 videos, you're going to be able to generate your first NFT project by first drawing your ideas to paper, to a canvas, and then you insert those pictures into Visual Studio Code so that you can start changing some code even though you don't have any backgrounds of engineering or coding experience. You'll be able to change the config.js, index.js, and then successfully upload them into Morales server. After that, you can just simply copy the meta hash and then make an Ethereum contract, and finally get listed on OpenSea. That's the whole process of making an NFT. And the next step would be promoting your NFT projects so that you can sell, because the whole point of creating an NFT is to sell, right? But we are not going to include in this tutorial. This is just a simple tutorial for you to get started. So if you want to learn more how to promote, how to create, or how to add variety in your NFT project, please check out my other video. And hopefully I will see you soon. Bye bye.